How to hide balance on CoinEx. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on CoinEx app and want to hide your balances so that nobody can see your total asset, here is how it can be done, and it is very easy and takes just a few seconds. First thing to do is to open the CoinEx application on your device. You can also open up the website, but we are doing this in our mobile device in the video. Now, once you're inside the home page, also make sure that you're logged into your CoinEx account by entering your credentials. After you're inside the home page, go to the lower right corner and tap on the Assets tab. Now you can see that my balance are hidden. If you want yours to be hidden as well, all you need to do is to tap on the eye icon right next to your estimated assets at the top left. You'll be able to see a small eye icon, simply tap on that. Now the eye icon will be shown as a closed eye and your balance will be immediately hidden. It will be shown as asterisk signs. If you want to show it again, tap on the same closed eye icon and that is it. That's how you can hide and unhide your balance on CoinEx. Now your CoinEx balance is hidden and your privacy is protected. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.